Happy birthday! She said happy birthday! She said happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Karen! Happy birthday to you! We love you. We love you. Alright, blow, blow, blow. Oh! Ooh, that was creaky.
I know how to use a knife.
There you go. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yes. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Tami and I'm here with my beautiful wife Shae. Yes, and the birthday boy Cameron. Happy birthday!
I got this just now.
Yeah. All right.
My new blue phone, it comes with this part. This is the front part of it. Where you plug the charger, so whenever you just want to sit your phone down while you're playing on it, you don't have to make your charger like this.
What kind of game I go play on it now?
Roblox. I can't now, but I downloaded it.
Alright, so guys, this is my first time to Disney World. That's where we will be going, and big day, a big celebration. You ready, Pete?
Yeah.
You ready, Pete, Cameron? Let me see a glass. Fully ready. Alright. Welcome. Enter. We are here. Sponsored by Macy's. Okay guys, so we are here and this is the whole COVID procedure. As you can see, everybody mask on. We are get with tickets. I mean, I tell you, them take some really drastic measures right now, man. Disney is so extra and I am loving it. I am loving it all the way. So this is the entrance, and of course you guys will see more. And do remember to wish Cameron a happy birthday in the comment section as well. So this bus is gonna take us to the park.
Please.
Oh yeah. Happy birthday, Cameron.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, baby.
It's not my birthday.
Happy birthday,
I did that once. Does not feel good.
Okay guys, we are here. Welcome to Disney World. Dum dum dum. Yes, the Magic Kingdom. Oh, beautiful. Welcome to Disney World. Yes. The line is insane for the ride, guys, but we gotta keep waiting because, you know, gotta get it done. Okay, we are in. Can't see nothing but right now. The line here is backtrack again. So remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Just in case we don't close it. Alright. You're in the front? I'm in the back? Alright.
What do I hold on to?
Attention all pilots.
What do
To
I hold
ensure
on
a
to?
safe flight, remain seated with your seatbelt
Seatbelt.
fastened.
Seatbelt
Keeping
on.
your hands, arms, feet, and legs
Where's yours?
inside. And please, supervise younger pilots.
Hold on. There's a seatbelt right there.
I got this thing. What is that for? Oh, lift it up.
Alright, so we're over the speed racer area. Then time this. Next ride. Yes. Birthday boy. We love you, Mickey! Yes! You're my favorite! Very hot. Woo. Guys, the line for this is crazy. Birthday boy, how's it going?
Good.
Yeah?
One of my cheeks are red.
Yeah, go put on some more sunscreen because the sun red over here, guys. Make sure say you have your sunscreen and water. And another tip, if you're your family and go out to any car place with a lot of people, wear like a matching color shirt. So your color coded where everybody in the same color, easy to find them because the crowd over here, well, I mean I tell you, it was easier. Alright, steady, how's it going? Ah! She loves pickle guys, so yeah, we're there. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. You know, so much to see, but we just try our best to make sure we get in as much as we can. Go and enjoy yourself and bless you.
We're here to have dinner.
I know about it.
Yes or no? Yes. Did you just hear a giggle?
You ready for this?
We're not gonna
You
scream.
ready? That's pretty cool. And now we're heading on the train. Alright, so we just completed the Splash Mountain ride, guys. If you ever get a chance to come at Disney World, that ride is a must. You have to try. How was it for you? Or what is your favorite ride?
The ride that you were just talking about?
The Splash Mountain? Oh
Yeah,
man.
because when I went down, I just started screaming out of nowhere. I wasn't scared. A little bit parts I was scared.
Yeah.
But at the last part, I just started to scream to make other people scream.
It was so much fun, man. Guys, I say, come next time, me have a many at a top. My heart is dropping on my
And we're at Disney
throat.
World if you don't know where the ride is.
Huh?
If you don't know where the ride is, it's at Disney World.
Yes.
Where we are right now.
Yeah, so you know it is the birthday boy celebration. Show them a shirt. Do you see a shirt? Yeah. There you go. Alright, guys. I try getting as much, but you know, a family time, I really can't do much vlogging, so you know how that go.
Transfer into a rocket to participate in this launch. Thank you, and enjoy your flight.
Oh my goodness, guys, that ride was the bomb. Space Mountain. Oh Jesus. Did it? You know it. What did I scream? You hear it? God no. My last hard. That ride was the bomb. Wait a minute. Space what?
Mountain.
Space Mountain. How was it?
And I didn't like it because when I rolled, I cute. What? That's why this thing was down. That's why
Lord.
my map was down.
Oh man. Alright guys, so keep bringing extra shirts, alright? These lights are awesome.
Well, there he goes, he hardly knows the heart he's breaking.
Running 90 miles an hour, taking 30 feet of jump.
Guys, it is a must recommend it. Top of the night when I ask. We know we don't really get to get much videos of all the things that we do, but we did like about 10 rides. Right. To the max. Guys, we come with this. Made don't what we say. Listen. It was so good. If you have a chance to come to Florida, Disney World is the place to be. And I asked price. How was your time, baby? Also, Cameron right now, he enjoyed his birthday to the max. He's with his grandmother, so you know them a link up and thing. We're doing our date night. Yes, we got a little quality time. Alcoholics. Oh, yeah, with the Bahama Breeze, one of our favorite places. Remember to like this video. Make sure to tell Cameron happy birthday in the comment section. Yes. Also comment your favorite part. Remember to share it and subscribe. May happy big up O'Neil Williams. Baby, O'Neil income right. Oh, we're ready.
Do you need anything else?
That's nice. Thank you so much. You too. Alright, we could just reach. O'Neil, we just want to big you up. Like every video I do for you, subscribe to my channel. You have been commenting, you watch everything. The last comment he must say like him ate ball, but him still watch me your video. I love you, Tami. It's like I know this man is so big. Like thank you so much for supporting me always. Or any feedback or anything may have, you always a WhatsApp. O'Neil, pick up yourself straight. I appreciate it. You don't have a YouTube channel as yet, but whenever I get it, guys, make sure to subscribe. Yeah. So that's it. Bye.